Hi there, welcome to another Pelcro tutorial. I'm Sharif, and today I'll be walking you through the newest additions that we've made to the Pelcro platform, specifically related to sorting, searching, and filtering. So if you go to your subscriptions or customer screen, you'll see that there are new additions that have been made to the search bar. These additions should enable you to perform any sort of filtering or maneuvering around your customers and subscriptions more efficiently and enhances your reporting mechanism so that it can be more granular. So these additions are drilled down as follows. If you look at the left hand side, you can see the search parameter that you can use that applies to the keyword that you're using. So in case of subscriptions, you can search by all of them at once: subscription ID, customer ID, email, name, and address. If you specify the search parameter here and then enter your keyword, let's say I'm searching for all my customers who have the email set to @pelcro.com, then you'll see the results filter down to everyone on your account that matches that email address. Let's say you want to drill down a bit further, right? And you want to see the customers who have that email address but have only been introduced to the system in April. This is where the filter section gets handy. So what you do is expand that, and then you can see all sort of filtration mechanisms that you can use to do that. So you can filter by statuses, you can filter by products, or you can filter by specific dates. So you got creation date and you have expiry date as well. So for that use case, we're going to choose creation date. I'm going to specify the date range to be from the 1st of April and up until the end of April. And then you apply the filter here. And then this drills down a bit more specifically to show you the more granular results. So that you can remember all of the filters that you have set on the search criteria, you'll see all of them listed here. So @pelcro.com emails, which are active and have been created between 2022 April 1st and April 30th. And then from here, you can choose to clear all filters to revert everything back to its default view. And then the last enhancement that we have is that the export button now will export the filtered results and not all of the results on the subscriptions that you have. So let's say if you apply the search hit again, when you click export, it will export the CSV of only the 16 subscriptions which have been filtered. And then if you go to customers, let's explore that a bit more. You'll see that here you have the ability to search by customer ID, email, organization, name, phone, and all provider ID. Same applies here to filtration, so you can check and filter down by creation date. And then the export and the metadata export are there for you to use at any point in time. One newly introduced search parameter that appears on customers as customer organization, and this is the newest addition with the August release, where each customer currently now belongs to an organization. So let's say if I specify Pelcro, this will list all of the customers that I have who have the organization set to Pelcro. And that's it for today. Please tune in for any additional tutorial videos to our YouTube channel, or check out docs.pelcro.com for more details of everything that we have explained on the video. Thank you and have a great day.